Most developers are using VS Code the same way they did 3 years ago. Open a file, type some code, Google the error, repeat for 8 hours. What if your editor wrote the code with you, fixed bugs before you even noticed them, understood your entire codebase by name, and let you edit 10 files at once with a single sentence? That's what we're building today. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 tips and 4 AI tools that turn VS Code into a machine that makes you code 10 times faster. Let's set it up. Tip 1. Cursor. Cursor is VS Code, exactly, but with AI that reads your entire codebase. Download it from cursor.sh and sign in with your VS Code account. All your extensions, themes, and settings transfer instantly. Here's what changes everything. Press Ctrl+K on any selected code and type what you want in plain English. Add Redis caching and rate limiting to this function. Cursor rewrites it in seconds. You review and accept. Press Ctrl+L to open the chat panel. Ask anything about your project. Why does my JWT refresh fail after exactly 1 hour? Cursor reads every file and finds the exact line. And Tab, just Tab, accepts inline completions that predict the next 5 to 10 lines based on everything you've written before. Cursor also lets you choose your model, Claude Sonnet, GPT-4o, whatever you prefer. Same editor, infinite AI power. Tip 2. GitHub Copilot. Install it from the VS Code Extensions Marketplace. Connect your GitHub account and it activates immediately. Here's the workflow that changes how fast you code. Write a comment describing what you want. Create a decorator that validates JWT tokens and returns 401 if invalid or expired. Copilot reads the comment and writes the entire function for you. Press Tab to accept. It doesn't just complete the current line, it predicts multi-line blocks, entire functions, and full test files, all in one tab press. Press Ctrl+I for the inline chat. Select any block of code and ask, "Explain what edge cases this misses." Copilot answers without leaving the editor. The more you use it, the better it learns your patterns. By day 3, it feels like it's reading your mind. Tip 3. Continue.dev. This is the most underrated AI extension in the entire VS Code marketplace. It's completely free. It's fully open source. And it connects VS Code to any AI model you want, Claude, GPT-4o, Llama running locally, all from one sidebar. Here's why developers love it. Select any code and press Ctrl+Shift+L. That code gets added to the chat context instantly. Now ask anything about it. The real power is the @codebase command. Type @codebase in the chat and Continue indexes your entire project, then answers questions about the full context, not just the current file. Does my database manager handle connection pooling properly for production? Continue finds the issue across 3 different files and tells you exactly how to fix it. Free, open source, runs on any model. This one is a must. Tip 4. CodeGPT, plus the extensions every AI developer needs installed. CodeGPT gives you a dedicated AI assistant sidebar that works with GPT-4o, Claude, and local models. It's especially good at generating unit tests. Give it a class, and it writes the full test suite in about 5 seconds. Now the 4 extensions you install alongside it. Error Lens, 8 million downloads. It shows errors and warnings in line on the exact line where they happen. No more hovering, no more guessing. GitLens, 22 million downloads. Git blame, commit history, and code authorship directly inside the editor on every line. Prettier, 45 million downloads. Auto-formats your code every time you save. You never think about formatting again. Path IntelliSense. Auto-completes file paths as you type imports. Sounds small, saves 10 minutes every day. Install all 4 right now. Tip 5. The settings and shortcuts that complete the setup. Open your settings.json and add these 5 lines. Editor format on save, true. This runs Prettier automatically on every save. You never touch formatting again. Editor font family, Cascadia Code or JetBrains Mono. Then set font ligatures to true. Your arrows and operators become beautiful glyphs. Editor sticky scroll enabled, true. The class and function name you're inside stays pinned at the top of the screen as you scroll through long files. Editor bracket pair colorization, true. Matching brackets get matching colors. Nesting becomes readable instantly. And disable the minimap. You get back 100 pixels of actual code space. Now the shortcuts you need to memorize. Cursor, Ctrl+K to edit. Ctrl+L to chat. Copilot, Ctrl+I for inline chat. Continue, Ctrl+Shift+L to add code to chat. VS Code, Ctrl+P for quick file open. Ctrl+Shift+P for the command palette. Ctrl+D to add a cursor to the next matching word. That last one, Ctrl+D, is magic. Select a variable name, keep pressing, edit all instances at once. And that is your complete AI VS Code setup. 5 tips, 4 tools, 1 afternoon to set up, and you code 10 times faster starting tomorrow. Cursor for AI-powered editing and codebase chat. GitHub Copilot for inline completions and suggestions. Continue.dev for free multi-model AI in your sidebar. CodeGPT plus ErrorLens, GitLens, and Prettier. And the settings and shortcuts that tie it all together. If this saved you hours, drop a like and subscribe for more developer tips and AI tools every week on TechCrafted. See you in the next one.